Trying to get some early 3rd of July. Fireworks! 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 Trying to get some early 3rd of July fireworks. I don't know why they're setting them off on 3rd of July, but they're doing it. They're doing it. Oh my God. Oh, I can't believe you got the location wrong. You disappoint me.
He's right here. Guys.
Where'd it go? Oh.
He's right here. He's right here.
No, Kylo. Adriel, come here.
Mama, I'm sorry, but I have to get a good view.
You can go up here and see him.
I'm sorry, Mom. I have to get a good view. Good view equals. Oh, that one's big.
Adriel, Kylo.
It's a fireworks.
Get down now.
It's a fireworks.
I don't care.
It's a fireworks.
Come on, get down. And it's not like they're gonna merge on top of me. Ugh. I mean, unless it's that one Family Guy carving video meme. Wowie! Dude, okay, I'm resuming. No, everything's blurry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mom, how could you get the location wrong? Yeah, but like, you could have at least gotten the location right.
No, I told you that it was in the Marina Bay.
Yeah, but like,
Last time I remember them going off, we could see them literally from over there. Though.
yeah, but now they're putting them there, not like.
That's okay. I feel like we're in a good location.
Are we though?
Yeah, we're just not in the marina.
I feel bad for Dad though. I feel bad for Dad though.
Mom, let's go away. We gotta see the fireworks.
Okay.
I don't get why they're doing this on 3rd of July.
He's right here. Look, Daddy! Is that carnival? Wait, look.
You know, when is it gonna end?
Yellow.
When does it end? When does it end?
I don't know. Like in 15 minutes. It's not long.
About 15 minutes. Oh, I'm gonna have a hassle getting this one uploaded. Dude, it's blurry.
Mom, where is it at? Mom, where is it at?
Oh, that one's gonna be big. It wasn't necessarily big though. It was just, it was meh. It was meh. I swear to God, I just heard a firework from behind me. Oh, sorry. Dude, I remember like last time they were like selling a bunch of glow stick thingies. Wee wee. Oh, that one's gonna be big. Watch it. Yee.
Doggy, look! It's a fireworks!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Looks like a tree.
Wait, let me just back up. that the Target logo?
Yeah. Whoa.
Wee wee.
Who's that? Where's that? That! It's a blue one.
Are they having them from behind? Are they having them over there? I can hear fireworks happening over there.
And go blue.
Come on. And big.